Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 in the Allure specification. So this car's done less than 6,000 miles, comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. In the car you have a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car is one of our former courtesy cars, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.